How's it going tonight, guys? I started working on my model kit, my 1970 Dodge Charger. I started working on the engine. Let me show you that right quick here. Got most of it done. Give you a little close-up look here. Still got add some detail to it, but I don't know how much I'm gonna add to it, but it looks pretty decent. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me give you a little closer look here. We got that done. Then I started working on my let's see here. Well, here's the body. I still need to primer it, and I'm gonna decide what color paint job I'm gonna put on it. I don't know if I'm gonna paint it black, or thought about a purple, but we'll see. Here's my chrome parts here. Just gotta put some of that black panel liner on, wash on it. So I'm gonna use that on these rims, kind of make it look more realistic. And I have my chrome here. I don't know if you can see that. There's a close-up of that. Here's my chassis parts. Still got to work on that. I still have a lot of work to do, but hey, it's a lot of fun. I enjoy it. Here's my hood. My door panels. Still don't know what color I'm gonna paint that, but I'll figure it out here. I'm just gonna see. Depends on the color of the car. I painted this. I painted my rear end, my underneath my front end. Painted that. My shocks, my side exhaust, my fire extinguisher. I still got some detail work to do to that. Still not done with that, so still working on that. Painting my seats. Let me give you a better look here. My lighting here in my garage is not the best, so that's why my videos are like not very good, but I'm trying, guys. So here's my dash. Still got some work on that. I don't know if you can see that. Let me give you a closer look. And my middle console. And I got a few other parts here that I painted. Radiator shroud, leaf springs, and I still have some few other parts I got to finish on here. Looks like the firewall, got to detail that. Put this back here. Still have a bunch of work to do, so I'll get back with y'all and give y'all an update when I complete a lot more of this kit. So thanks a lot for watching my video, and hopefully one day I'll be able to produce a pretty decent model, because you know, sometimes you get frustrated when you build a model and then you put it together and there's always something that goes wrong, or something doesn't fit, or you know, I have a hard time trying to put the body on top of my chassis because it never lines up right for some reason for me. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, and that it's not lined up. The chassis is not lined up correctly. I have a hard time whenever I'm finished with it. I go to put it on, and it doesn't line up. My wheels look crooked on some of my models, and it's frustrating sometimes, but let me show you one of my models here. Like on this one, turned out pretty decent, but I can see that my wheels are not lined up in the back the way they should be. And the bottom of it, my chassis here, I don't know if you can see that, doesn't go up all the way underneath. So I don't know what I did wrong, but I don't know, I'm learning some, you know, I haven't done this in a long time, so I'm trying to get back into it. But I guess if I do a couple of more models, maybe I'll figure it out. So I sure can use the help if you guys can give me some tips. That would really help. I appreciate it, because I see a lot of videos on TV and you guys are awesome. You guys create some awesome stuff. So I don't think I'll ever be like that, but I just enjoy doing this. So thank y'all for watching. I appreciate it.